What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay you guys, I am right here where we left off, here at the lounge pants, and I don't know, these ones look pretty Christmassy if you guys ask me. We have scarves and little earmuffs, ear muffins I always like to say, and we have some really nice colors. These are just $5, you guys. These are men's. Over here we have men's and we have women's, usually up through about an extra large. The lightning bolt, be a good human. These ones are back from last year. They're sort of a thermal. We have the rollover waist gray and white, and we also have little sleep short singles. These are definitely brand new for the year. Super cute. And then we have these waffle knit little like lounge tops. This one just came off of the hanger. I think these ones are back from last year. Green, white. We have pink, animal print, variety of other pinks. And we have some really cute socks up here. $2 socks. These are micro velour socks. Really, really cute. Corgis, kitties, llamas, unicorns, stripes, bees, my favorite, cactus, hearts, stars, walruses. I don't know what that's supposed to be. What is this one? This one's cute too. This one says, be kind. And then over here we have even more fuzzy socks, 3 to a pack. I believe those are gonna be $5. Slipper socks. We have the cabin socks, $5 each. We have the giftable socks with the gift tags. Super, super, super plush and thick. Really, really cute. Slipper socks. Thermal heat socks, even more of the big slipper socks. I mean, they are humongous. Super cute, super giftable, super cozy. Some of these even have the little nubs on the bottom in case you have slippery floors. And don't forget to look at the clearance every time you come in. They're always adding new items back here. And a lot of these items that they add are really timeless. They're not just like summer items or things that you don't need anymore. They're really relevant items. This is cute. Cute little lip smacker kit. The soda pop lip set for $5. Let's see if we have any new perfumes over here, any new fragrances. Sassy Girl, I think, is brand new. It's a dupe for Fearless by Victoria's Secret. All of these fragrances are dupe fragrances, and most of them are by the brand Mirage. So if you're curious as to what it's a dupe for, just Google Mirage and put the name in. Like this one, you guys already know I love this one so much. And I believe that it's a bigger size bottle than the ones they were offering last year. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Berry by e.l.f. Those are new. We even have some $3 Essie polishes. You guys know Essie goes for about $8, $9 and some change, depending upon where you're getting them, and they're just $3 here. We have a variety of fall colors by Essie. $3 is a really, really great deal for Essie. If you're super brand loyal to Essie, why not get it here, you guys, and get like 3 of them for the price of 1. Birdy was using this one the other day. It was really metallic too. It was really pretty. It was like kind of a shiny peach color, kind of like this, but a little less shiny. This is the new eyeshadow from LA Colors. They recently sent this to me, so thank you LA Colors if you're listening. Thank you for the brand new palettes. These are just $3 each. We have Lemon Drop, Berry Kiss, and Peach Fizz. And you guys, they are super, super pretty. I think a lot of them could double as highlighters. Like, they're really, really gorgeous. We also have these $4 palettes up here from LA Colors. This is a 16 color palette. We have 3 to choose from. We also have this one. It looks really clean and nice, doesn't it? And then we have this one as well. And then we have some $3.50 palettes. Also by LA Colors, we have the Nude palette, the Rose palette, and the Glam palette. And what I like about these is that if you're new to makeup or you're just really trying to figure it out, we have the colors that are stamped with the words highlight, crease, and lid to help you kind of figure out your combinations. If it's not something that really comes natural to you, I think tips like that really help. And then over here, we also have Wet n Wild palettes. These are $5 palettes. And then we also have a lot of Fast Dry Wet n Wild polishes. It says speed 40 seconds for 5-day wear. Lots of lippies. And look, you guys, we have Burt's Bees for dogs, itch soothing spray, and deodorizing spray. That's definitely brand new. Oh my gosh, catnip bubbles. That's a cute idea. All sorts of toys over here. A scent infused dog toy. A pet nail grinder. I love that they have so many cute things for our pets in here. Cute toys, like really nice quality toys. Cute toys. Look how cute. Brushes. Leashes, collars, and then of course we have tons of clothes. We have mats. Over in the Halloween section, we have some little cat tents. Okay, I made it to room. I don't know how much I'm gonna find that's new, but we're gonna take a look. The pegboards. Room isn't something that they're constantly adding a lot of new items to. I mean, it's always worth checking. Like these Chakra Palo Santo sticks are new because they're dipped in color, but they have had their regular Palo Santo smudge kits here in the past. Sometimes we find new plushies. And then we have, what are these? A mirror with hooks. Those are new. The saddle stools have been here. All the Tupperware. Some of these laundry baskets are in new colors. The succulent fountains, I think those have been here. The lanterns have been here. The little accent rugs. These are really, really cute, but if you guys wash them, please don't dry them because the backing will not be the same. All of the pillows, the little plush blankets, a USB powered desk fan, a water globe photo frame. We have a little LED moonlight with the stand. Those are really, really cute. I have one that's not LED, it's not from here, but I love it so, so much. Like the texture is really nice. And I can just imagine that with the LED, it would be so, so cute. I really love mine. yeah, you guys, that's about all that's here in room. Definitely worth taking a look. Look at the pillows. Look at the cute little shelving. But yeah, you guys, they don't really add a whole lot to room on a regular basis, but the items that you're gonna find, I think you're really gonna like them a lot. Anyways, you guys, I think that's about it for me here in Five Below. I filmed a few videos already, so if you guys have missed any of my past videos that I shared recently, please check out my Five Below playlist and see what you've missed. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.